Welcome back at 9:22. Now on the North Shore, we know where you can find Christmas choirs, candlelight caroling, Christmas crafts, holiday train rides, cookie decorating, a hot chocolate bar, and photos with Santa and more. Wow, that is a lot right there. It's the 16th annual Christmas at Terra Bella Tree Lighting and Holiday Marketplace. It's happening next Friday, December 12th, with a sneak peek at what to expect. We want to welcome Claire Rogers from Terra Bella Village and Jason Blanchard from Smoking Buddha Barbecue. How we doing, y'all?
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Hey, look, I'm just staring at this giant hunk of meat that you brought here.
That's a little bit of brisket.
This is something special.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And after everything that I listed, I mean, this heads to the top of that Christmas wish list for a lot of folks, right?
That's what everybody wants. As a barbecue truck, everybody wants barbecue brisket.
Exactly. All right, so tell me what we're working with here. What are we doing?
All right, this is just a full pack of brisket, smoked for 12 to 14 hours, 250. We're going to go ahead and slice it up, but this is going to be going into our brisket chili because that weather's dropping. People
will spend their entire days on the internet just looking at videos of what you just did right there.
Watching the cuts. So what we're going to do is we really want the fattier for the brisket chili. We really want the fattier part of the brisket, and what we call that is the point. All right, so that's what we really use to chop up and pretty much make. They call them burnt ends. You might might understand them as that, but that's pretty much where we
usually just understand them as delicious.
Yeah, just good stuff, man.
Oh man, all right, I'm gonna let you work on that for a second, getting that ready for the chili here that we've got. But I mean, look, if that doesn't make you, want to come check things out.
Only the best food at our Christmas event with our amazing food vendors. Yes, so of course Santa's going to be there, like you mentioned, so that's always a fun highlight. Lots of things for the kids to do, writing letters to Santa, cookie decorating, as you mentioned, making reindeer food. Just a lot. I mean, it's a great night for everyone, and especially for families. Yeah. We have over 40 vendors in our Rev vendor marketplace, so great place to get some Christmas shopping done, and lots of live performances too.
Everybody's really getting into the holiday spirit right now, and by next Friday, when the weather's going to be great, we know.
Our village is all lit up right now.
It's the perfect time to really settle into that holiday spirit, right?
Yes. Yeah. And with that, we'll have a lot of caroling. We have Mandeville Dance Company, North Shore Christian Praise Band, Reach, and several others. And we'll do it by candlelight. We'll sing some Christmas carols, light our Christmas tree. It's magical.
That's one of the best ways to spread Christmas cheer, right? Yes, sing it loud for all to hear. All right, back to the brisket too. That's the second best way to spread Christmas cheer.
All right. So brisket chili starts off like everything good as far as dishes go in Louisiana. Sauteed bell pepper, onion, garlic, tomato sauce, diced tomato, bunch of spices, cumin, chili powder, oregano, cayenne, a little punch in the back of the throat there. But we let that cook down for a good 45 to an hour, and then we just drop the brisket in.
Add the chunks.
Add the chunks, baby.
Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that. I'm gonna help you. Can I stir it in?
Stir it in, baby. Stir it in.
Yeah, I bet there's nothing like getting a big ladle of this and then boom, there you go.
Oh, y'all gonna have a lot.
Chunkiness there. Wait, what do you mean, y'all? You're leaving all this?
Oh, we're leaving it all, man. I take it. We cook this. So this is also seasonal too. We don't have this throughout the year. So as soon as Zach Frost over there in the newsroom goes, "Hey, gumbo weather," that's when we start taking it out.
So you're saying Christmas came early then?
That's it, man. That's it. So we can start getting asked about it probably in August, September. Hey, when's the brisket chili? It's coming, guys.
It's
here. It is here. All right. So, all right, just real quick again, if folks want to try the brisket chili.
That's it.
And get into that Christmas spirit next Friday.
Next Friday, 12/12 from 6 to 9 in Terra Bella Village. We're in Covington, so if you want to learn a little bit more about Terra Bella, terrabellavillage.com, and we have some information on our Facebook page too.
Santa's coming. All right. Better be nice.
That's right.
Thanks, y'all. Appreciate it.
Thank y'all so much.
You already are on the nice list, right?
That's it, man. We got it. We got y'all locked.
That's the cheat code. All right, time now, 9:26. Federal